laptopinventory.com, your source for laptop parts. Notice, the repair process is different for every laptop model. At laptopinventory.com, we have created a database with thousands of free laptop repair videos. Simply go to laptopinventory.com, select your laptop brand, series and model, and find the exact repair video for your laptop. Turn the laptop over. Remove the laptop battery. Remove the screws. Remove the optical drive. Turn the laptop over and open it up. Take something thin and gently pry out the keyboard. Unplug the cable. Remove the screws. Remove the plastic bezel. Remove the memory. Place the memory sticks back in place. Place the screws back in. Plug the cable back in. Place the keyboard back in place. Place the screws back in. Place the optical drive back in. That's all. You just installed new laptop memory. laptopinventory.com, your source for laptop parts.